A cap here, 26 for just repair and tips, and make a tongue depressor. You need a few things. You can use the cap off this plunger, or you can use a piece of this to put in between. You want to take this, put this on that, put this on top, and then you're going to put the elastic around it. I'll show you how it works. Basically, you just want to put the elastic on this side of that little part right there in the middle, and that keeps it separated, so you can just pick things up like this. Okay, go like this and pick things up, and you want to use that for picking like parts up that are wet or something like that. And I'm use this for like picking up pieces of painted parts or something like that. So I wanted to show you that it's pretty easy to make and pretty handy little tool to have. So I hope you're having a good day, and thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe, and share my videos when you can. Thanks for watching. Take care now. See you next time.